That's a third round in a row. It seemed pretty good and bluffy. Maybe we should bet now.
Or I like to take insurance.
Everything's
You know anything about that?
For what?
Well,
we've covered the bet.
Nope, never seen it.
Just now?
Yeah.
$250,000 in black, please.
Good luck.
Something you have to do for yourself, but we can provide you a key.
He like is rubbing on it and doesn't know it.
what?
I dropped it and he didn't get it. And he's like rubbing up against it waiting for it.
That fish?
Yeah.